Oh, hey, it's Chad from the Chad and Cheese Podcast.
You have cause for celebration because on June 10th, ding dong, the witch is dead, as they say.
I am super excited for June 10th and for the next phase of Winston.
Anytime you have an organization with committed individuals who are nose down, attempting to ideate, tapping the marketplace to get their input on direction, on service offering, tweaking, calibrating, you tend to celebrate that.
And this might be the end of the ATS era.
Because we all knew that we needed change. Because the old style, the old applicant tracking system, the old form-based bullshit just didn't work.
You got to be impressed by the person who came up with the term ATS, which sounds way, way better than crappy web front end that we glued onto a database that was coded in 1983.
I mean, the end of the ATS era is really exciting. Winston and the smarter operating system are exactly what I think this industry will benefit from.
And first of all, I'm excited because the SmartRecruiters always been a big fan. They've always had amazing product, but I'm more excited as being a past recruiter.
This company has always cared fundamentally about improving the talent acquisition profession.
And honestly, I think it's about time that we had our iPhone moment in talent acquisition.
We know that AI is changing the game when it comes to hiring.
And to see an organization who represents well over 2,000 clients actually take, it's not really a risk, just take the leap and actually get into it. I have to give it to SmartRecruiters.
What I will tell you is that if Torrin Ellis is leaving a video, Torrin believes in what it is that he is saying.
As an analyst, it's my job to stay on top of the HR technology landscape. And when I saw some of the stuff that SmartRecruiters is building around Winston, their SmartOS and other features, it's pretty incredible, and it's really changing the game when it comes to hiring.
Fundamentally, it's good technology that works well, incorporates all of the legacy assets that made SmartRecruiters category leader, and then takes it to the next step.
So we're excited to see what happens, not just now in the initial launch, but what happens later, because being more nimble for employers, being able to be more customizable, because we know employers just want custom, right? How will this help? I believe it will. We're going to find out.
But I'm going to tell you, if it comes to celebrating the death of the ATS, I am down.
For me, the surprise is this. It would be good tech even if it wasn't in recruiting.
So kudos to you, SmartRecruiters. Everyone check it out. It's going to be exciting. It's a change in the recruitment world.
Rooting for every single individual over at SmartRecruiters.
Super excited. Thanks, SmartRecruiters.
Let's go get it.